Hi guys, it's your baby girl Joy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be making native rice. Some people call it concussion rice or palm oil rice, but I choose to call it native rice due to the presence of all the native ingredients in it. So guys, stay connected as I walk you through the preparation process. But please don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button down below. Alright, to make this lovely native rice, I'll begin by adding some palm oil to my pot on medium heat. Guys, please palm oil for this recipe, not vegetable oil. I'm using about 3 cooking spoons. I'll allow it to heat up for at least 1 minute. But guys, do ensure not to bleach your oil. Okay, after about 1 minute, I'll be adding some diced onion. Then saute and allow to fry. Next, I'll be adding some washed locust beans. It's known as Eru in Yoruba, Dadawa in Hausa language, and Ogiri in Igbo language. You can purchase it in any local market. Guys, these locust beans make a whole lot of difference to your native rice. Do ensure you add it whenever you want to recreate this recipe. While this fries, I'll quickly add some tomatoes, more onion, bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper to my blender, then blend till pureed. Alright, back to my pot. Guys, you won't believe the aroma that is just coming from frying locust beans and onion in palm oil. The aroma in the kitchen is heavenly. I'll quickly add the tomato pepper blend mix, then stir and allow to fry. Guys, there was a certain time I wanted to make jollof rice, but I didn't have all the whole ingredients it takes, so I decided to switch to make this native rice. So a friend of mine that came around to my kitchen, I was like, how do you intend to make jollof rice with just few tomatoes and you don't even have vegetable oil? It's palm oil I'm looking at with leaves and all that. I was like, don't worry, I'm not going to make the normal conventional jollof rice, I'm going to make native rice. And he was like, how is it going to look like? How will it taste? Hope it will not be looking pale because he wasn't seeing paste and there wasn't enough tomatoes and all that. I was like, don't worry, we had to even bet for it, guys. We had to bet for it, and I was like, if it turned out pale, I will pay you some money, and if it does not turn out pale, you will pay me some money. So guys, still on the jackpot. Let's see what the outcome will look like. After about 5 minutes of frying, I'll be adding my clean shredded dry fish. Guys, dry fish makes a whole lot of difference for your native rice. Although you can use other proteins like pomo known as the cow skin, or you can use the goat meat or cow meat, but I prefer to use dry fish for this recipe. I'll also be adding some crayfish powder, little curry, thyme, seasoning cubes to augment everything, and some salt to taste. I'll give it a quick stir to combine everything and allow it to fry for about 2 extra minutes. While this fries, I want to use this medium to appreciate all our subscribers so far, and you that is watching my video right now. I say thank you very much. Please can help us to keep growing by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Okay, I'll quickly add little water to my pot, but if you have stock water you can actually use it, but I don't have any. I'll gently stir everything, then cover and allow it to get to a rolling boil. After about 2 minutes guys, it's boiling already. I'll quickly add the rice. I've washed it already after parboiling for about 5 minutes. I washed it till the water ran clear. I'll give it a quick stir. I'll add a little more water so we'll have enough liquid to cook the rice. Just in case you don't need the quantity of water you can add to your rice, looking closely to mine, my water level is slightly above the rice and that is perfect. With this, your rice will be perfectly cooked, not too strong, not too soft. I'll stir everything together, then cover and allow it to cook on medium heat. Guys, don't forget to check on your rice at intervals so you don't end up with a burnt rice. Okay, after about 20 minutes in total, our rice is properly cooked and the water has dried up. Guys, look at that. Look at the color and how everything is. I believe you all know who won the jackpot for that day. Well, that's by the way. I'll further add some scent leaf. This will help to intensify the flavor and rich taste of native rice. Or you can actually use pumpkin leaf, but I recommend scent leaf. Scent leaf takes this rice to a whole new level. I believe if you try out this recipe, you won't believe what your taste bud will tell you after eating. And guys, that's it. Our native rice is pretty much ready. Guys, I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. To all those that have been subscribing to our channel so far, I say thank you very much. I truly do appreciate. May God reward you all and bless you all abundantly. It's me, your baby girl, signing out. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.